It's 5:30 in the morning, still there is a moon. Ayan ang moon. Now this is the sunrise. It's like may pagka-pinkish. Ayan, diba? It's very rare. Ayan, the moon and the sunrise. It's so lovely. And it's beautiful morning to everyone. And a beautiful moon to everyone also. This is called Nagalit ang buwan sa haba ng gabi. And the sunrise. And the sea, the moon, the sea, and the sunrise. It's a beautiful. Di ba nakakaloka? And the wave. Yes, it's wave.